So how do I make money working online? This is a burning question that I've always been asked. And let me say, if you're looking to make an extra side hustle, if you're looking to make money working from home, if you're looking to make money from cryptocurrency, and if you're looking to make money from AI, then this YouTube channel is the one for you. So if you want to find the answer to all of these questions and any other question in between that is to do with making money, working from home, time freedom, replacing your existing income, then make sure that you subscribe to this channel, click the bell notification so you get notified when I upload a new video, and above all, give me a like. If you're really interested in making money from home, having a side hustle, then this is the channel for you. Click that subscribe button and click the bell notification so you get notified when I upload my new video. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in a life-changing, freedom-chasing video. Tutty bye.